What's up, YouTube? Shooting a video of my beta test for the PS5 SSD on beta 2.0. Put in the SSD. This is the SSD that I'm using. The PNY XLR8. There goes the read and write. After I already have it installed, I went through everything yesterday. The video I shot for YouTube didn't go through, so this is the second one I'm doing over. But yeah, this is the card without the heatsink. The heatsink for this is very big. It will not fit in the PS5. So I got this heatsink off of Amazon. Pretty good, pretty cheap. Did the job. It fits perfectly inside. Comes with the thermal tape that you put on both sides. I got the single side with 1 TB, so it's in there. So we all booted up, transferred games over. Basically all my games. Show you that in a second. Yeah, they go to PS5. The Gundam. Match the controller. Yeah, but let's go to the SSD. There you go. Console. And then we got the M.2 SSD. This is what I'm using. Again, filled it up. Approximately 16 games, I think. Yeah, so then I got my USB. Western Digital behind it. It's kind of cool having three storages. This is where all my games are. Well, we'll get that at. But the SSD, it's pretty nice. It's fast. Let's see. Like this game, Warzone. When I had this on the USB, pulling from the USB drive, turn this down. When I was pulling from the USB, textures will take long to load in, but now it's on the SSD. Everything fast. Only reason why I didn't put it on the main system SSD because it's so big. It's 100 gigs. Everybody knows that. It's a big game. So yeah. What? It always, for some reason, it always tells me I gotta download something after. I don't know why. I'm missing. I was just playing like a second ago. But yeah, but it loads. What else? This is on the SSD. I think this loads even faster now. I don't know why. Look at that. We're right into it.
It never stops.
Got into it super fast. Let's see. This loads fast. I gotta finish this. And the PNY, the read speed that I'm getting is 655 6.5 something. It's as fast as the Fire Cooter, the Aros AORUS, the Sabrink, and the Western Digital. I was wrong about the Western Digital. I think the 2 terabyte might be slower. They were probably using the Western Digital I seen. They were not getting like fast speeds, but read speeds. But I know that the Western Digital, what I seen, 2 videos I seen, they're getting like 650, 550, 6,550 megabytes a second. So yeah, so the Western Digital is up there. The Samsung 980 Pro, that's the only SSD card that I see thus far with the minimum specs that Sony's asking for. I would stay away from that. Not saying it's bad, but it's not as fast as, like I said, the PNY, the Fire Cuda, because the Fire Cuda is supposed to be like the top of the line, and if the PNY XLR8, the one that I'm using, this one, if I'm getting 656, 6, and it's a 7, you see it right there, 7500 read speed, 56. So it's a pretty fast card. You know what I mean? Just don't get the one with the heatsink. Just get the single-sided 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte or whatever you could afford. Um, but yeah, look at this is on the terabyte. I just started out in this. I never played it because um, one room and everything, but I'm just starting out on this. But this is on the SSD. Load up fast. That's nice. What else? Basically, all these games right here is on the SSD. Let's go to my collection. See all 900 and all 99 games. So let's go to a SSD game. Spider-Man. Yeah, this loads. I gotta get rid of the PS4 version. I got like a PS5 and a PS4 version. It makes no sense having a PS4 version. They're just taking up space on my USB. See how fast I was? After I just selected... Yo, after I just selected the fucking mission. Let's do that again. Once look, let's see, look at that. You wanna go there. Right from the SSD. You seen that? That was like not even a blink of the eye. That was just boop. That is crazy. That is video game cartridge days. What? Yes, Spider-Man. What else we can do? Everybody been doing this. The Ratchet and Clank. Shout out to this. Game of the year, I say. I've beat this game on the hardest setting. I'm replaying it again, but at a slower pace. But look at it, how many files I have. You see the difficulty, all Renegade Legend. That's how you should play it on Renegade Legend. Look how fast I was. You see that? Did you see that? As soon as I selected the file to load. Let's do that again. Let's go to the 52. Resume. What? That is bananas. B-A bananas. That makes no sense. How fast that is. I'm not gonna copy over. I'm not gonna delete a game and copy it over because y'all get the gist. But man, this is crazy. Let's go to a PS4 game. I have a PS4 game that's on this. Let's check out the speed of. This, yeah, let's do the Division. Let's see how fast this is. Shout out to the Division players. If this was on the hard drive, it's like pulling from the USB. It's slow. It's very slow. But when you're on the SSD, this game loads fast. Like, see how fast that came up? Look at that. Straight from the SSD. See that? Now let's fast travel somewhere. If you ever fast travel in this game, it takes a long time. Let me fast travel here. Watch this. See how fast that was? If this was not the SSD, that would have took like, oh man, I couldn't even tell you. It takes a long time. Let's fast travel here. Look at this. There already. Crazy. Yeah, that's a perfect game to show you the SSD on. That's a PS4 game. Let's do another PS4 game. God of War. I'm going back over in this game on New Game Plus. Try to platinum it. Already beat all the Valkyries. That was the hardest thing. So now I'm just going cleaning up on the stuff like the little emerald birds and stuff like that. But look how fast. Continue. Look at the load. And we are there. That is fast. Menus, everything come up. Responsive. It's another thing too. With this beta, when you close out everything, like the game, it just responds. Everything just responds better in the beta. Like the dashboard, everything just snaps and just crisp. Everything is spot on. Let's do Ghost of Tsushima. Let's load this from the SSD. Already got my preload, my pre-order. I'm just waiting. See that? Waiting. Oh, let's do that. Let's play this. This is a game that takes a long time to load. If it was on the PS4 Pro, shout out to my PS4 Pro. And the Xbox over there, One X. I'm a gamer. And Nintendo Switch. Sorry, see it's dusty. I don't play it. I'm a gamer. That's why I had to do the beta. Alright, let's continue. New game plus. 1 circle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost 11 circles, 11 seconds to load up. Sick. That's a PS4. Any more titles we can do that can fast load? Star Wars. This is on the SSD. Continue new game plus. Look at that load time. Not even a second, it just went down, boom, boom. Look at that. Crazy.
See what we can find.
Let's travel to a quick planet. Let's travel to here real quick. See the load times.
You know, BD, I'm not too bad of a cook.
Oh, here he goes.
I'm just saying, I'm not too bad of a...
Of a cook? I know, I heard. You can just pilot the ship.
Sure, that's fine. But if you do change your mind, my great-grandmother made a mean stew back on Madeira.
One of the best games to play in 60 FPS on the PlayStation 5.
Making it. Slow cook the braised shack roast.
Look how fast this is.
broth simmering all day and fresh ingredients from the farm. He was special.
The war took a lot of people from us, but we're still here. Don't forget that, Crazy.
Thanks. All right, we're here. Get in your chair.
As soon as they finish the speech, it's done. If this was a PS4 Pro, we would be still loading. That's nice. So yeah, no, the PNY CS3140 1 terabyte SSD SSD memory card is a very fast card. Like I said, your read speed is 6,556 point something megabytes a second after when you format it. And the write speed, they don't tell you that information, but I'm pretty sure it should be in like the 4,000 area, because when I copy games over, it's pretty fast. The most games I transferred last night to the SSD was 12, and that, yes, 12. Listen now, 12 games took at least 1 hour and 30 minutes exactly to transfer over 12 games, PS5 games, from my USB external Western Digital to the new SSD PNY card. 1 hour and 30 minutes to transfer 12 games. I know that back in the days of PlayStation, when you used to PlayStation 4 Pro, when you used to download games for the first time, that first download, like when you download the game when you first bought it, it will take a minute, like 45 minutes. So it's like for one game, 45 minutes. So 12 games, an hour and 30. That's pretty fast. I don't know. I mean, like, I'm gonna wait to see what Digital Foundry do on like comparison videos, but for 12 games to be transferred in an hour and 30 minutes exactly is pretty damn nice. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Again, my PlayStation, Gundam taking watch over the DualSense. There go the black one. You know I got the black one. Later, y'all. Beta, baby. The beta is sweet. If you got an SSD, get in, but I would say stay away from the Samsung. It's giving the lowest speed so far. The Western Digital, Aorus, Sabrink, Firecuda, and the PNY, and there's a couple more, but so far they are giving the most, at least 6,550 something megabytes a second, and the Firecuda is supposed to be the top of the line. And again, like I said, if the PNY, what I bought from Best Buy last week, if that's given the same speed as the Firecuda, I would say get a PNY or the ARS or the Sabrink. Those are given the same speeds as the Firecuda, and it makes no sense to wait on the Firecuda. Don't get it. I would say you see the verification PNY. It's very fast. It's giving out read speeds of 6,556 megabytes per second. Okay.